Alright everyone, and here's my fridge, and I went on and took everything out so I can wipe it down, and I wiped it down and dried it out so that we can get started. Now again, you're going to need your contact paper and your scissors for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just line all of the shelves. I'm going to line the front of the drawers. So I'm going to show you how I install either two of the shelves and one of the facings on the drawer. Then I'll finish and we'll come back. So we're finna get this started. And you will be hearing my beeping, that beeping from my fridge telling me to close the door. And I just marked with my hand. Now once the piece is cut, I'm going to have to cut the front of it as well. But I'm just going to put it in. And I'm just layering it in. I'm not layering it on the white edges. I'm just layering it on. And I'm just layering it on the glass. And someone asked a question when I did the haul for this. They wanted the moisture make it rise. I always keep my fridge lined. And I never have an issue with the liner coming up or out. And normally I make my paper color the color of my kitchen. Just here lately, that's keep proving to be hard for the last few years, because in choosing colors sometimes you just cannot find what you need when you need it. But I'm going to show you what it's looking like. And I'll just do this right here all the way through. And I always make sure that it is actually lined good with no bubbles. It's looking good already. And I'm going to let you see what it looks like even before I cut it. That is what she's looking like before I actually cut it. And what I do is, because I keep it open, I will, like once I put in one piece, I'll shut the fridge for a few minutes. Then I'll go back and then start my next piece. And you see how you just take your knife, and I just butted it up against the edge so that this can come off. And I will take this piece and cover the facing of my drawer. That drawer will look like that, and I'll come back and do a clean edge cut here. I'm going to cut it here and add it to the other side. Now this is actually the first time I have used the contact paper from the Mighty Dollar. So we're going to see how it does. And I'll come back in like a week or two, because I wipe my fridge down every week as well. Now you see my colors, how my color scheme inside of the fridge is coming together. I'm going to do one more on camera so you can see, because I have these two shelves to do this door facing, and every spot that I have a clearness to it, even on my side doors like that. With my clear drawers, I cover those, and if it's clear, I cover it. If it's white, I leave it. But for how I cut it, I gotta lay it from the back forward. Once I get it laid down on my, there we go. And again, I'm going to take this tiny edge and put it on one of my side doors. So I'm going to take my X-Acto knife again, go dig it to the corner. Now we're cutting out that corner. My knife is... I gotta get my actual real X-Acto knife and not this switchblade. But she's looking like that. And again, everyone, I am sorry with my filtered lights. She looks like that. I'm going to shut my refrigerator, and what I'm going to do is I will come back when I'm actually finally finished, because I showed you how I did the shelving and the facing. So we'll be right back. This is my finished fridge, and isn't she gorgeous? I just like to always have the inside of my refrigerator decorated as well. These are the doors on the side. But doesn't she look good? And the door there, I got 2 more doors to do. I ran out of paper, so I'm just letting you see what that looks like. I got to add in my other 2 drawers. So and I'm going to come back in a week and give you a review. Then I'm going to come back in about a month. But this makes your spills and everything so much better on your cleanup. So much better. Now, I still clean my refrigerator once a week. And I still clean my refrigerator with my Clorox and my dish detergent water, and I'll still wipe it down. I'll wipe over all of the shelves, and I've never had an issue with any of it ever peeling till I actually get ready to take it off. It's the only time that it'll peel, once I literally pull it up. This is what my fridge looks like with my stuff back in it. And it keeps everything looking tidy and more neater to me. And I got a system in my house for its organization. In my refrigerator, I only use this bottom shelf for fruits, vegetables, and anything in a container that has a fruit or vegetable that I had to cut. I'll store it here. This middle shelf is the only shelf that I actually put cooked food on. I keep my eggs, butter, and sometimes TT's little individual milk in here. We do most of our snacks in this middle shelf here. Oh, that's TT's juice. There goes. Sorry about that. And we have our juice, our strawberry applesauce, regular applesauce, strawberry yogurt, that's orange cream yogurt, and we got apple juice and fruit punch. But this is the shelf that we house snacks, and as you can tell, we mostly go for healthier snacks. And we keep the eggs in there, and I always keep a container of baking powder in the back of my fridge. But this is what she looks like with everything back in her. Then when you need to open your drawer, there are my fruits and vegetables. And another thing too, I only put my fruit and vegetable ends after I wash them. I got my lemon and my lettuce here. Yeah, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed this refrigerator lining to actually beautify your refrigerator. To everyone, if you like this video, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you like about it, what would you do different, or if you would think about trying this on your own refrigerator, let me know that as well. All right, everyone, and you know your girl cannot close out anything without always letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive. You have a wonderful day.